everyone. I'm at the Ford Idaho Center in NAMPA, Idaho today, where Camping World is having a free-to-enter RV show. I'm hoping to add a trailer to my channel so I can take my little pups on our journeys. I'm just not sure I can justify purchasing a trailer since I'm still under 1,000 subscribers at this time. First trailer we're going to look at is the Campsite Reserve. It has a really nice floor plan and it sleeps 3 to 4 people. Nice dinette table that also converts into a bed. And then you have a queen size bed here with lots of storage. Got a nice kitchen sink, a 3-burner stove and microwave, refrigerator, and freezer. Here is the toilet. We've got a toilet, a sink with a nice size counter, and a nice tall shower. Lots of room in there. I'm really impressed with these trailers and the size of the bathrooms. This trailer comes in at 20 feet and its sale price during this show is $24,000. Our next trailer is a 2025 Coleman, and it is a 17-foot trailer with a queen-size bed. It's got air conditioning, a 2-burner stove with microwave and refrigerator. There's a 4-person dinette. And here in the bathroom, again, a really nice size shower, the toilet, and then they have a really nice storage area here. I'm also really impressed with the lighting in these trailers. They are very bright. And the price on this little trailer is $13,500. And that's the show price. All right, and then there's this little trailer. This is my favorite. It is a perfect little 13-foot Coleman. It's got a nice work area, a fireplace heater, the sink, a single burner hot plate, refrigerator, microwave. In the bathroom, we have a toilet and another good-sized shower. There's no cabinet in here, but there is plenty of storage out here in the main room. It has a nice little AC unit, a shelf, and a queen-size bed. It's also all electric. And the price on this one is just $11,000. So if you would like to see a little trailer travel on my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's free to you, but it means the world to me. Thanks for spending some of your time here, and we'll catch you in the next video.